Welcome to the Auto-Rinse Quick Start training video. Auto-Rinse automatically rinses a Boston set, a pair of mixing tins, mixing glasses, jiggers, hawthorn strainers, wine portioning carafes, and more, inside and out with warm water. It can even rinse a set of mixing tins and a hawthorn strainer at the same time. The rinse cycle automatically stops after 4 to 6 seconds. The actual time it takes to load the machine and press the rinse button is about 2 seconds, which is faster than any other method of properly rinsing a complete shaker set. This allows you to work faster than ever before. This is the storage deck. It's where you keep all of your bar tools. You'll only need 2 sets of tins per station because while you're using one set to make a drink, the other set is being rinsed. Make sure to get your tools back to the storage deck as soon as possible for maximum workflow efficiency. After straining a drink, dump the shaker ice directly into the ice dump and place the tins on the rinse platform. Press the rinse button and now garnish and serve your drink, or keep making more drinks. Auto-Rinse cleans your tins for you while you move on to the next task. The ice dump is for shaker ice only. Do not use Auto-Rinse as a general dump sink. This may contaminate your bar tools, is unsanitary, and is a health code violation. Never leave your tins and other bar tools in hand wash or dump sinks. This is also a health code violation. Auto-Rinse is not a glass washer. All glassware that drinks have been consumed from must be properly washed and sanitized. Here are some tips and tricks to help you get the most out of Auto-Rinse. Rinse your tins and tools immediately after making a drink and before garnishing and serving for maximum efficiency. Auto-Rinse allows you to quickly clean as you go, which saves you time and ensures that you never run out of clean tools. Letting your dirty tins accumulate defeats the point of Auto-Rinse and will slow you down. This is what we want to avoid. When there are clean items on the rinse platform, temporarily leave your dirty tins in the ice dump to move those clean items up to the storage deck, like this. Don't be afraid to let go of the tins. The ice dump was designed to temporarily hold them. Keeping items inside of the machine will slow you down, so always put clean items back on the storage deck and never leave tins or strainers on the rinse platform or ice dump. Clear items by using the ice dump to free your hands or with one hand while you're shaking a cocktail. If you need to rinse only one item, cover one side with a hawthorn strainer. Store your spoons and muddles in a 28-ounce tin with sanitizer and keep them within arm's reach. Using dipper wells wastes water and is unnecessary. When shaking drinks with dairy or highly fragrant spirits or mixers like Sambuca or Bloody Mary mix, you can extend the rinse cycle by pressing the rinse button twice or holding it down for a few seconds. For in-depth info on getting even more out of Auto-Rinse and to see comparison videos, visit Omni-Rinse.com. Follow us on social to see more quick tips, tricks, and relevant content about the restaurant industry. Thanks for watching.